showing up over and over again when the process started and during the process is one of the things we delight in. We never default on our standard of quality. We never stop working. We keep making progress every day to bring your dream home come to life. Welcome. Welcome to Urban Prime Estates. You know, we have a lot of juicy deal on Urban Prime. As apart from, we are selling our 2-bedroom terrace duplex. Lavadia Series 1 is going for 82 million naira and Lavadia Series 2 is going for 80 million naira. Everything is off plan, and with initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can key in any of our estates. I'll be showing you this video so you can see what I am talking about. But guess what? We are doing a Sallah discount. You can get discount up to 3 million naira on our landed property, both in Urban Prime and Westwood Estates. So this is the offer deal. We have 300 square meter. Instead of you buying 300 square meter for 36 million naira in Urban Prime 3, you'll be buying it for 34.2 million naira. And for the 500 square meter, instead of buying it for 60 million naira, you will be buying it for 57 million naira. With initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can key into any of the square meter, either 300 square meter or 500 square meter is habitable. People are living in the estates now, so I'm telling you, buy and build. And you can't compare the value on that road. You cannot compare the value. The title is C of O, Certificate of Occupancy, and we have a lot of facilities in the estates like 24/7 security, 24/7 power supply, underground electrification, swimming pool, recreational center, and a lot more. We have gym, we have lounge that you can entertain your visitors if you don't want them to come into your house. So we have a lot of things, and it's facing the third road on Ogombo in Adesanya, Ajah, Lekki, Lagos. So I want you to key in now. There is discount up to 3 million naira, but it has started already. By 20th of July, we will close this discount. So I want you to call the number now showing on your screen so that you can get the discount right away. Also, we are doing a discount up to 3 million too on our estates. Westwood Lakes in Sangotedo. This one is on Monastery Road in Sangotedo. And get 300 square meter there, 500 square meter, and 1,000 square meter. Is facing the lake. Lake is in the estate. We call it Westwood Lake. And the title on it too is C of O. And we are going to have a lot of estate feature there. We are going to have car charging dock, fishing dock, swimming pool, recreational facility, 24/7 security, 24/7 lights, underground electrification, and lots more. So I want you to key in either Urban Prime or Westwood Lake. Is selling fast. This will close by July 28th. I want you to call me right away. Call the number showing on your screen now so that you can get this discount. I will be expecting your call. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Follow us on all our social media and do at Sales with Property. Once again, my name is Olanshile Davids. I help people create wealth through real estate. And also, if you are a first-time home buyer, don't forget to call me. Let me show you the best home that you will enjoy in Lagos, Nigeria. Bye.